Recording in progress.
All right, so I need to remember the camera now is here, not my usual spot. And definitely not an on-camera day, but I am going to share this anyways, because I am testing this out again to see if the sound will work. Now, I see here that this is red. So there we go. I'm wondering if that was the problem last time. Let's just take a look here in Zoom. Let's just look here. Okay, so for microphone, I want the meeting owl. And I want for speaker, meeting owl. Okay. And my issue last time was that it wasn't working. So I'm going to try, let's see here. Let's see if I can join it. All right, so I need to remember the camera now is here. I am testing this out again to see if the sound will work. Let's just take a look here in Zoom to see what that looks like. Just a coincidence. Oh, kind of catching myself on the reflection. That's kind of funny too. All right, so it's getting different views. I'm going to move around to see as well what that will do for the camera. And that's pretty cool that it's capturing me when I'm in different places in the room. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can see you.
I know, is that cool? And
Yeah.
I can hear you through my owl, which is awesome. That didn't work last time.
It works now.
So good. Yeah. All right. So that wasn't a full tutorial yet. I might do that. It's so cool when the eyes go on and it makes an owl sound. That's just the coolest touch that they did. Few things I learned. Watch out for the mute here. That's not red. That was something to watch out for. But what was key was also that I muted the sound on my speakers on my computer. I have the Owl Labs app through my computer, but the one meeting where I tried this out with a group recently, where it was through somebody else's Zoom instead of my own. So that was a difference from other times I've used it. And so these are videos that I've tested it a little while ago. And I wanted to just share with you some of what I learned in that respect, making sure, so for example, with Zoom, that your speaker and your mic, that it's picked the owl, and that on your computer device that you turn off that sound. That was, so it's not this, sound coming from there, it's coming from the device. That was key for it to work, because with the one group, they could see us, but they couldn't hear us through this mic. And I don't think we could hear them through this. So even though I had selected it, I think there was something competing there, and I may have accidentally had it on mute. So that's something I learned, but it's fantastic. It's a great tool. It's definitely an investment, but I think it's worth it if your group has a lot of even board meetings or staff meetings from different locations. Have the people that are in the one room, so you all don't have to have a different device. And then you just make sure you look at it, so people online feel that you're still looking at them. And then, the rest of the time you can be turning to look at everyone that's online. But that would definitely be a tip as well, to look at the owl, so people online feel that you're looking at them when you're talking. So this is a great tool, fairly easy to use. It's just figuring out that sequence of events, sequence of steps for your setup. Practice always makes things seamless, where then it doesn't feel complicated at all. But at the beginning with anything, there's a little bit of learning curve, and I don't even think I have an affiliate link for Owl Labs. I'm not even sure that they have that, but I thought I would share with you what I thought. I think it's great, and a couple of things I've learned so far, and I'm sure there'll be more in the future as well. Thanks for checking this out. My name is Patricia Regier. Yeah, and it will zoom in on who's talking.
Oh,
It's just so cool. It is.
And look at the other, like the long view, or maybe that's different. This one
Yeah,
up here.
yeah, I know. It's giving the whole view. Like, so I'm going to move this.
Like a panoramic.
Yeah. Isn't that the coolest thing?
So it's taking, okay, because the camera's here,
Yeah.
although I'm looking at Zoom,
To this, yeah.
talk to the owl.
Yeah.
Talk to the owl.
Talk to the owl.